Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to study or read the haloalkane, about the preparation of haloalkane and much more we will discuss in this video. Okay, I'm going to begin. Preparation of haloalkane. 1. From alkane by hydrogenation. When alkane is treated with halogen X2 in presence of light, heat or oxidant, haloalkane is formed by substitution. When alkane is treated with halogen X2 in presence of light, heat or oxidant, haloalkane is formed by substitution. CH4 plus Cl2 UV rays CH3 Cl plus HCl. If excess Cl2 is used, series of reaction occurs. CH4 plus Cl2 XCH2 Cl2 excess UV minus HCl CH3 Cl. Okay. Again Cl2 CH3 Cl is again reacted with Cl2, and my HCl group is removed to form CH2Cl2. Again Cl2 is because Cl2 is excess, so a series of reaction occurs. CH2Cl2 Cl2 minus HCl CH3Cl, and CH4 Cl minus HCl CCl4 CH3C. Okay, the final product obtained from the reaction of chloroform, and reaction of methane with chlorine is CCl4. Okay, okay. CH3 plus Br2 CH3 CH2 Br plus HBr. Okay, CH3 plus I2 conc NCl CH3 CH2 I plus HI, or HI is strong reducing agent. HI is strong reducing agent, so to balance to shift equilibrium in the forward reaction, a strong oxidizing agent is added to prevent from backward reaction. Oxidizing agent like HNO3, HiO3, HgO. Okay. From alkene, how can you prepare? How can you prepare haloalkane from alkene? Okay. When alkene is treated with hydrogen halide HX, haloalkane is formed by addition. It is also called hydrohalogenation. When alkene is treated with hydrogen halide HX, haloalkane is formed by addition. It is also called hydrohalogenation. The reaction name is hydrohalogenation. Addition, okay? Addition. CH2 double bond CH2 plus HX, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond X. X is equals to ClBrI. Markovnikov's rule. When unsymmetric reagent is added to unsymmetric alkene, positive part of reagent goes to double bonded carbon having more number of H atoms. When unsymmetrical reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene. Positive part of reagent goes to the double bond of halogen. Double bond of carbon. No, double bonded carbon having more number of hydrogen. Okay. CH single bond CH double bond CH2 plus HCl CH3 single bond CH single bond Cl single bond Cl3, which is 2-chloropropane. Isopropyl chloride is the what common name. Kars effect, which is also known as Markovnikov's rule or peroxide effect. In presence of organic peroxide, positive part of reagent goes to double bond of carbon having less number of hydrogen atom. It is applicable only for HBr. Okay. Because HCl has high bond dissociation energy, so it does not react. For Cl to react, it needs very high energy. So HCl is not suitable here. Okay, and Si has least bond dissociation energy, so it breaks easily, but gives I2 instead of Ri. And Si don't give, does not give haloalkane because it has low bond dissociation energy and it forms I2 instead of haloalkane. CS3, and it is the example of one Markovnikov's rule. CS3 single bond CH double bond CH2 plus HBr organic peroxide ROOR peroxide CH3 CH2 CH2Br 1 bromopropane N propyl bromide. Here in Markovnikov's rule. In Markovnikov's rule, the positive part of reagent goes to the double bond of carbon having greater number of hydrogen, having what yes more number of hydrogen. And in Markovnikov's rule, the positive part of a reagent goes to the double bond of carbon having least number of hydrogen. Simple. And it forms the haloalkane. From alkene. From unsymmetric alkene. For symmetric alkene, we can use the HX to make alkene. Haloalkane. From symmetric alkene, by adding SX into it, we can make alkene. Haloalkane. From alcohol, with HX, ROH plus HX as ROH plus HX from alcohol. ROH plus HX, RX plus H2O. CH3OH plus HCl, conc, anhydrous ZnCl2. CH3Cl plus H2O. This reaction is Groves process. This reaction has a name that is Groves process. GROOVE Groove apostrophe SPROCES process. And Kong HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 is equals to Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is equals to Conc HCl plus ZnCl2. Here CH3OH plus HCl conc and hydrogen ZnCl2 CH3Cl plus H2. Okay, CH3CH OH plus HBr. Eating CH3CHBr CH3 plus H2O. It is a simple what is displacement reaction uh, of hydroxyl ion of alcohol by the halogen. Okay, an alcohol are treated with hydrogen halide. Halogen is found. Okay, with PCl3, PBr3, P plus Br2, Pi3, P plus I2. P4 plus Br2 and Pi3, P4 plus I2. I have confusion in what P4 or P. Okay, I'll read. What PCl3 stable, PBr3 unstable, and Pi3 unstable. So the unstable product, unstable, these reagents are prepared in the situ by reacting red phosphorus with Br2 and red phosphorus with iodine. Okay, 3R plus OH, 3ROH plus PCl3, 3RCl plus H3PO3, CH3OH plus PBr3, P plus Br2, CH3Br plus H3PO3, phosphorus acid. H3PO3 means phosphorus acid. CH3OH plus PBr3, CH3Br plus H3PO3. CH3CH2OH plus Pi3, red phosphorus and plus I2, heating, we get CH3 CH2 I plus H3PO3 H3PO3, which is red, which is phosphorus acid. With PCl3 ROH plus with PCl5 ROH plus PCl5 RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl, CH3CH2OH plus PCl5 CH3CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. PCl3 only gives no. Okay, let's move to number D, which is the reaction with thionyl chloride. When alcohol is reacted with thionyl chloride, that means SOCl2 in presence of pyridine by on heating, a haloalkane is formed, and byproduct are also SO2 and HCl, which are gases. ROS plus SOCl2 pyridine reflux heating means heating at high temperature. HCl plus SO2 gas plus HCl gas. HCl is obtained in the gaseous form. Yes, CH3 CH2OH plus SOCl2 pyridine eating CH3 CH2Cl plus SO2 eating plus HCl eating. It is Darzin's reaction. It is Darzin's reaction. It is the best method to prepare haloalkane because the byproducts SO2 and HCl are gases which are easily removed and product is pure. It is the best method to prepare haloalkane because the byproduct SO2 and HCl are gases which are easily removed and product is pure. From writing three methods to prepare iodoethane. Iodoethane is prepared from alkane CH3 plus I2 Kong HCl CH3 CH2I plus HI from alkene CH2 double bond CH2 plus HI CH3 CH2I iodoethane from alcohol CH3 CH2OH plus PI3 CH3 CH2I plus S3 PO3. Okay, we discussed how many three methods to prepare haloalkane, which is from alkene and from alcohol. Okay, let's move to physical properties of haloalkane. State color order. Lower members like methyl chloride, methyl bromide, and ethyl chloride are colorless gases, while some higher members are colorless, sweet-smelling liquids. But no, yes, but some higher homologs are colorless solids too. Solubility. They are insoluble in water as they cannot form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water. However, they are soluble in organic solvents like ether, alcohol, CCl4. Boiling point. Boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increase of molecular mass due to increase in van der Waals force. Boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increase of molecular mass due to increase in van der Waals force. Example: CH3Cl the example of increase in boiling point. CH3Cl is less than CH3Cl2 Cl is less than CH2 CH2Cl. And CH3Cl is less than CH3Br is less than CH3I. Boiling point of isomeric alkyl halide increases with decrease in brands. It is due to increase in surface area with decrease in branching. Boiling point, yes. Boiling point of isomeric alkyl halide increases with decrease in brands because decrease in brands increase the surface area of the alkyl halide. CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2Br, which is N-butyl bromide, which has less brands and more area and high boiling point. I'm confused here. Boiling point of isomeric alkyl halide increases with decrease in branch. Oh yeah, I understood. It is due to increase in surface area or decrease in branching. It is due to increase in surface area or decrease in branching. The one which has more area will have more boiling point, and the one which has less area and less boiling point, which has more branch has less boiling point, and less branch has high boiling point. Okay, chemical properties. Let's go to chemical properties. Alkyl halides are reactive in nature due to polar nature of CX bond, C2X bond. Um, Polar bond means what polar means? Comment me. It is polar bond, and what is polar nature also. The reactivity order is HCl is less than HBr is less than HI. HCl has high bond dissociative energy, so it is less reactive, and Ri has low bond dissociation energy. I high B binding energy, but binding energy B stands for. Oh, yes, binding energy and bond dissociation energy are equal, are same. Okay, let's go to nucleophilic substitution reaction. SN reaction. The reaction in which halide ion X minus is replaced by another nucleophilic substitution reaction. Oh no, the reaction in which halide ion is replaced by another nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is of two types, SN2 reaction. It stands for substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. It stands for substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. The rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of both substrate and nucleophile. The rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of both substrate and nucleophile. Example, CH3Br plus OH minus CH3OH plus Br minus. Which substrate in the CH3Br is a substrate and OH minus is nucleophile. CH3OH is product and Br minus is leaving group. Rate is equals to K substrate and nucleophile. If rate is equals to K. K means const. What K means? I'm not remembering that. K means the rate constant. Yes, rate constant. Mm, Substitute reaction rate of reaction is equal to K CH3Br OH minus concentration of CH3Br and concentration of OH minus. It follows the second order kinetics. It is completed in single step mechanism. Single step mechanism. Okay. CHHHBr. C is delta positive and Br is delta negative. And OH is also delta negative. Nucleophile. Nucleus loving species. They are rich in what? What are nucleophiles? They are nucleus loving species, I think. which is um, yes, electron rich nucleus loving species that attack electron deficient carbon atom. Okay. Here CH3, yes, here C is electron deficient carbon group, and OH minus attacks from the backside, and, in the transition state it forms yes H bond to um, C. See, like this, two H are above and one H is down, and above there are OH, HO, and Br, which is partial bond, like this, in the transition state. And the inversion product, the complete product formed after this is complete final product formed is SCC. No, it is not SC, it is OH. CH3OH. CH3OH is the inversion product. The reactivity order is CHX is greater than 1 degree, is greater than 2 degree, is greater than 3 degree. Alkyl halide. More strain hindrance crowding effect due to large bulky alkyl group. SN1 reaction. It stands for substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. The rate of reaction depends upon concentration of substrate only. Example CH3 whole thrice CBr plus OH minus nucleophile OH minus nucleophile which is from CH3 whole thrice COH plus Br minus leaving group. Rate difference the concentration of substrate only. Yeah. Rate is equal to K substrate. R is equal to K CH3 whole thrice CBr. It follows the first order kinetics. S1 reaction follows the first order kinetics, and the SN2 reaction follows the second order kinetics. It is completed in two-step mechanism by intermediate chirocation. CSC, CS3, 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 Br. Slow, and it is the real determining step. And to form the chirocation, CS3, C plus CS3, CS3, carbon plus Br minus carbocation. C plus CS3, CS3, CS3 is the carbocation. And the second step is the attack of nucleophile. CS3, the nucleophile attacks the carbocation to form the product. This reaction is fast. C plus CH3, CH3, CH3 plus OH minus fast. CH3, 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 OH product. What is its name? 1, 2, 3, 3. 1 meth is prop. 2 methyl prop 2OL. 2 methyl prop 2OL, isn't it? It is. The reactivity order is 3 degree is more reactive than 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree is more reactive than CS3X. It is the inverse, the opposite of the SN2 reaction. The reactivity order is in 3 degrees greater than 2 degrees greater than 1 degree is greater than Cl3. It forms the more stable 3-degree carbocation. Okay. One action with the examples of the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Action with aqueous KOH, NaOH, AgOH. When alkyl halide is heated with aqueous alkali, corresponding alcohol is formed. It is called alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide. When alkyl halide is heated with aqueous alkali, corresponding alcohol is formed. It is called alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Okay. Rx plus aqueous NaOH, ROH plus NaCl. What type? Yes, ROH plus NaCl. ROH, Rx plus equals NaOH, ROH plus NaCl. Okay. And CH3Cl2Br plus aqueous AgOH gives the CH3CH2OH plus AgBr. Aqueous AgOH, which is also known as moist silver oxide. Moist silver oxide is the Ag or Ag2O. Ag2O, I think. No, Ag, yes, Ag2O. No, Ag2, yes, Ag2O. Moist is moist. That means it has the presence of water and it gives the AgOH. Action with sodium alkoxide, RO यानी रोना. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic sodium alkoxide, ether is formed. It is called Williamson's etherification reaction. It is useful to prepare symmetric as well as unsymmetric ether. When sodium halide is heated with alcoholic sodium alkoxide, ether is formed. It is called Williamson's etherification reaction. It is used to prepare symmetric as well as unsymmetrical ether. I'll read again. When haloalkane is heated with alcoholic sodium alkoxide, ether is formed. It is called Williamson's etherification. Okay. Rx plus NaOR dash alcoholic, ROR dash ether plus NaX, CH3Br plus CH3CH2ONa alcoholic sodium ethoxide. Alcoholic sodium ethoxide, CH3CH2O CH3 plus NaBr methoxyethane. Action with alcoholic KCN NaCN. Corresponding cyanide nitrile is obtained. Rx plus alcoholic KCN RCN plus KX. Alkyl cyanide, alkene nitride. Here, alkyl cyanide is the common name and alkene nitrile is the IUPAC name. It is the versatile reagent and used to prepare various organic compounds. RCN, when is reacted with dilute HCl, or you can say H2 slash S plus. RCOS plus NS4 plus is formed, which is the complete hydrolysis. When RCN is treated with dilute HCl, ROH plus NS4 plus is obtained, which is complete hydrolysis. And when RCN is treated with partial hydrolysis with conc HCl. RCuNH2 is formed which is partial hydrolysis when RCN is treated with LiAlH4 or N-ethanol or H2/Ni. It forms RCH2NH2 which is reduction. There are few reactions involving the action of alcoholic acid. I'll read it out. CH3 Cl plus NaCN, CH3CN plus NaCl, methyl cyanide, CH3CN, 2H2/S plus, CH3COOS plus NH plus, ethanoic acid or acetic acid, CH3CN, conc HCl, CH3CuNH2, ethanamide, CH3CN, LiAlH4, N-ethanol, CH3CH2, NH2, ethanamine. CH3CH2OS associated to pyridine, P, KCN, hitting Q, H2H plus R or LiAlH3. It is a question. Okay, let's solve it. CH3CH2OS associated to pyridine. CH3CH2Cl associated to pyridine. As when alcohol is treated associated to, it forms the what chloro. It forms the chloroalkane. It means CH3CH2Cl plus associated to SO plus SO2 plus HCl. And CH3CH2Cl plus KCN. KCN increases the chain length of the reaction of the next obtaining compound. Like there is one to eth, then there is eth here. Okay, ethane. One chloroethane here, CH3CH2Cl plus KCN. We make here CH3CH2CN plus KCl. CH3CH2CN which is propyl cyanide. Propane nitrile. I'm a little confused because I have done wrong here and I had written ethyl cyanide and ethyl nitrile, but it is wrong. I am probably no. It must be wrong because when there is carbon in the functional group, you have to count it also. Comment with me, what do you think about it? CH3CH2CN 2H2/S plus CH3CH2COS plus NH4 plus CH3CH2CN LiAlH4 CH3CH2CH2NH2 aminopropane. Okay, let's go to new topic, which is action with alcoholic ACN. Corresponding isocyanide, isonitrile or carbalamine is formed. Corresponding isocyanide or isonitrile or carbalamine is formed. Okay. RX plus ACN, alcoholic ACN. R single bond N and covalent bond and double bond C plus ACX. Isocyanide on reduction with LiH4 or N-ethanol gives 2-degree amine. 2-degree amine means RNH2 is 1-degree amine. R RNHR is 2-degree amine. R N R R is 2-degree amine. R single bond. N triple bond C was the triple bond is one is coordinate covalent bond. As for hitting RNS-CH3 2-degree amine is formed. Okay, CH3 Br ACN hitting A and ethanol hitting B. CH3Br alcoholic ACN hitting CH3 and triple bond C plus AgBr methyl isocyanate. I'm going to speak. No, I'm not going to skip this. CH3 and triple bond C and ethanol 4H hitting CH3 NH CH3. This is important. CH3 and one coordinate covalent bond and 2 double bond C and ethanol 4H plus heating. We get CH3 NHCH3, which is N-methyl methenamine. N-methyl methenamine. N-methyl methenamine. Dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. So this is getting tough. CH3 CH2 PCl5. This is simple. We have discussed above. I will read the last part. CH3 CH2 and bond C. CH3 CH2 and C plus 4H LiL H4 CH3 CH2 and NHCH3 CH3 CH2 and HCH3, which is N-methyl aminoethane. Why amino? Here it was amine. Why amine are amino? Amine and amino are same. Comment me. Are amine and amino same? Let's go to book and find it is same or not. Substitution by nitride group. Nitroalkane. There is no any. Yes, there is. Alkyl acids are useful synthetic reagents. They are easily converted into secondary amines on complete reduction with LaLH4 or Na/C2H5OH. This is ethanol. CH3 CH2N C ethyl carbyl amine. Ethyl carbyl amine plus 4H plus LH4 CH3 CH2N and CH3. This N-methyl aminoethane. The haloalkane is alcoholic NaCN or KCN. With alcoholic HCN give different product. NaCN and KCN ionize almost completely in aqueous alcoholic solution and give alkene nitrile. RCN is major and alkyl isonide is minor product due to ambident nature of Cl minus nucleophile. Okay, what is ambident nucleophile? Ambident or ambident, what you say? I think amino and amine are same, methylamine. What are ambident nucleophiles? Give examples. Nucleophiles having two or more attacking sites are called ambident nucleophile. Examples: RX. RX when K plus and Cn minus is KCN. KCN K plus and Cn minus, which is ionic. It is like ionic compound. And positive charge on negative charge on C. Negative charge on C. Cn. Cn. RCN plus KX. And AgCN is covalent compound and it has lone pair anion. Therefore, it has two attacking sides. One attack from the C and another attacks from the N. To form NCNCN. Likewise, another nucleophile is there. RX plus AgNO2. Covalent, which is covalent. AgNO2 is covalent. To form the nitroalkane RNO2 plus AgX. Nitroalkane, it attacks from the N. Okay, and KNO2, which is ionic, and it acts from the O. RONO, alkene nitrite, alkyl nitrite, alkyl nitrite, and silver nitrite. Alkyl nitrite, okay. Alkyl nitrite, simple alkyl nitrite. RONO and RNO2. Two different compounds are formed when haloalkane is reacted with AgNO2. Let's go to Hoffman analysis. Hoffman analysis. What? I don't know. It's this. When alkyl halide is heated with ammonia gas at 100 degrees Celsius inside a sealed tube, 1 degree of ammonia is formed. When alkyl halide is heated with ammonia gas at 100 degrees Celsius inside a sealed tube, 1 degree of ammonia is formed. RX plus H single bond NH2 RNH2 plus HX. In case of excess of alkyl halide, a series of reactions will occur. When alkyl halide is heated with ammonia gas at 100 degrees Celsius inside a sealed tube, 1 degree of ammonia is formed. When alkyl halide is heated with ammonia gas, in the case of ammonolysis, you heat it with ammonia gas inside a sealed tube